Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to pin Gmail to Windows 11 or 10 taskbar using Microsoft Edge browser. For this, first open Edge browser, then visit gmail.com and sign into your account. Then click on the Start button at the taskbar and search for Edge. Then right click on this one Microsoft Edge entry and select open file location. Again, right click on this one shortcut, select open file location. Now press shift key and hold it and then right click on this one MS Edge application. Then select here copy as path. Now right click on the free space and select here new option and then shortcut option. Now paste the copied path and put one space, then hyphen, then type URL. Again put one space. Now copy the Gmail address from your Edge browser and paste it at the end in this one location box. Then click on this one next button. Name it Gmail. Then click on this one finish button. Now again select this one shortcut icon. Press shift key on your keyboard and hold it and then right click on this one shortcut. Select here pin to taskbar. Now Gmail is pinned to your Windows taskbar. Whenever click on this one Gmail icon, it will open in Edge browser in a new tab on your Windows PC.